This is by far the clearest path to building online income after 40 because you don't need endless tech or endless hours. You just need a simple system that works. If you've been juggling work, family, and life and wondering if there's a better way to actually have more time and still earn, this is it. I'll show you what a real 2-hour workday looks like and how it's possible for busy moms, dads, and empty nesters just like us. A few years back, I had to step away from teaching because of chronic illness, and I started searching for ways to earn from home. I tried different things, running a print-on-demand business, freelance writing, even blogging, and while I enjoyed creating, I was still exhausted, trading dollars for hours, and never finding something that truly fit my life. What I wanted was a way to contribute without sacrificing my health, peace, or family time. That's when I came across a system that changed everything for me. The Freedom Formula Blueprint. Here's what I learned. Most side hustles aren't designed for people like us. They expect you to grind for 8 to 12 hours a day. They push you to chase strangers online. They promote flexibility, but in reality, you end up glued to your phone, stressed, and burned out. That's not freedom, and it's definitely not sustainable. What I found instead was a way to build income in just 2 hours a day with the support of automation and a system that's already built for beginners. Here's what makes the Freedom Blueprint different. You get a ready-to-use website. The emails are already written and sent out automatically for you. You have digital products you can resell for 100% profit. The training is step-by-step, which is perfect for beginners. And there's a huge supportive community to help you along the way. It's simple, it's clear, and it's actually something you can fit into your life. Let me break down what my 2-hour workday looks like. The first 30 minutes, I post free ads online or go live to connect with people. Then I spend about an hour creating 2 or 3 pieces of simple content, like short videos or posts. And the last 30 minutes, I reply to comments and messages from people who want to learn more. That's it, 2 hours. And the system runs in the background doing the rest. If this sounds like something you've been looking for, go ahead and check the link in my bio. I'll send you a free copy of the Freedom Blueprint. It's linked in the description. It shows you exactly how the system works and how you can set up your own 2-hour workday. Here's why this matters so much. A 2-hour workday gives you your time back. You can finally stop missing out on family moments. You can work around your own schedules and energy levels. You can build something steady that's not just about today, but about your future. And maybe the most important thing, you're creating a legacy for your family that you can be proud of. A reminder that it's never too late to build something new. You don't need to be techy. You don't need a big following. And you don't need to hustle around the clock. You just need a simple system, a couple of hours a day, and the willingness to start. If you're ready to see how this works for yourself, just grab the link in the description below and I'll be happy to send you the free Freedom Blueprint. I post new videos every Tuesday to help moms, dads, and empty nesters create honest income online without tech stress or burnout. Keep showing up for yourself. It's going to pay off. I'll see you in the next video.